okay, I'm not going to into H1 or whatsoever. So monthly, okay, let me close everything. Okay, see, monthly actually price is rejected from top, okay, which means price is having sell pressure. Okay, the first thing we have we have the price action in our mind that euro is going down, okay, due to selling pressure, okay, and then also the EMA line, okay, the EMA line is actually acting very well here, okay, so we have upside sell pressure, okay, and then weekly wise actually price giving a hint that as long as we doesn't close below this candle, right, okay, okay, let me switch back to the red and green candle. Okay, you see, as long as price doesn't close below 1.11, okay, we are still looking at upside, okay, because I actually bullish on bearish on USD, the first thing in my mind, okay. So Euro USD actually we have a 3 weeks rally, okay, to the upside, and then pullback, okay, this pullback is healthy retracement, okay, it's a healthy pullback. So I'm not going to say that Euro is bearish, fully bearish, okay. I take this as a healthy retracement, okay. So you see, price went up and then we sideways, then we came back down, okay. So if you would to zoom out the chart, right, you see, actually this, the current price zone is actually the previous resistance. See, resistance. We currently may flip as a support. Okay, that's the thing. And then H4. Okay, I usually use H4 to analyze my entry point. Okay, because H4 is the best time frame for me. Okay, so if we would to change into, let me change into black candle again. I see, if we use the Fibonacci retracement, right, okay, we use this to calculate, to find out the zones, the price levels. Okay, so the first thing is that we actually broke the 38.2 the first Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, we actually hit this price, went back up again, okay, hit by my weekly resistance. Okay, all these drawings are my past drawings, okay, as a reference. So price went down all the way, okay, cross below my EMA 100, okay, and then we are now at the 50% level, is or not, the 50% level. So with the current price action, right, I'm actually looking at the price to retest lower low, okay, at 1.125. Okay, 1.125 must hold so that we can go back up again, all over again. Okay, this one is weekly resistance. Let me change. Okay, weekly resistance is or not. So if you guys will look to execute a trade, right, this will be the setups, is or not. TP around 1.1260, and then SL anything below 1.107. Okay, that's the thing. Is or not? You still remember now? If we go back to daily chart, right? Okay, as long as price, not daily, it's weekly. You see, as long as price doesn't go below 1.10, right, we still have the chance to rebound, okay, for the upside. So back to 4 hour, okay, this will be the optimum setups. Okay, you saw or not? This will be the resistance zone. Again, right now we're gonna flip it as a support. Plus, okay, this one is my weekly support. This one is based on previous price price drawings, so now. Okay, and then most important is that this will be my 61.8. Okay, let me move the fib level. You see, 61.8 golden ratio. So most probably price will hit this zone, and then we can execute a buy. Okay, of course in reality, okay, price doesn't hit and went up straight up. Okay, price gonna react and then sideways and then we slowly climb back up. That's the outlook for Euro USD. Any more question? Charles, I hope I answer your question. Okay, Euro USD. So any more question? Any more question? Let me check Facebook again. God, thanks. You are most welcome, Charles. Any more question? Any more question on anything? Actually, we doesn't need to talk about just the market. Okay, you can actually ask me about my strategies. Okay, my way of analyzing the market, or anything about broker. Okay, fundamentals. Yeah, fundamentals. Forex factory. Okay, if you guys were to look into next week, right? Next week is actually, I think it's a slow week because we just have three important, I mean just two important, you see. Monday we have Royal Bank of Australia. Okay, they're gonna be a conference. Okay, and then Bank of Canada. So Monday expect Aussie and Canadian dollar to move, and Tuesday Euro just data release, and Wednesday New Zealand, okay, Kiwi dollar, they gonna announce their bank rate. But all these, the most important is just Euro, because I'm not trading Aussie, I'm not trading Canadian, I'm not trading Kiwi dollar, just Euro. Okay, Euro, we are looking for a good buy. Okay, a good buy zone, and also go for the upside. Okay, so any more question from you guys? Any more question? Hi, Jackson, you like to ask me about KLCI? Okay, KLCI actually, let me check. KLCI, where is KLCI? Where's my KLCI? Here, KLCI. Okay, if you ask me the same question, okay, just it's the same. You just refer back to the US markets. You see, US index, the Dow Jones or S&P 500, because actually they are moving correlated. Okay, it's directly the same price action. You see, actually price went to the highest peak 159. Okay, right now we are at 1500. Okay, 1500 is actually the let me zoom out a bit. Let me go into weekly first. Okay, weekly. Oh, you see, perfect reaction. You see, KLCI, we actually hit the EMA 100. Okay, you see, boom, and then rejected. Okay, reject, and then okay, high probability that we're gonna retest 1470. I think 1470 will be the perfect retest zone. Okay, and then we're gonna look at this price zone. What is the reaction over here? Okay, 1470 will be the crucial number. Okay, if you dig into daily, okay, let me change to the red candle and green candle again. Okay, you see, we are actually bearish. You see, red candle. Okay, these three red candle already engulf the end. These are 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles, so not. Okay, if you use this measurement tool, you see, this one red candle actually engulf these 5 candles. Okay, so we are looking for the downside. Okay, 170, I think 170 is the best zone, so not 170. Okay, imagine you try to imagine like this. Okay, for example, price, oops, what's this? For example, okay, for example, you see price gonna retest like 170, and then we see how it goes. Okay, if you ask me 170, that's the thing. And then S&P 500, I'm actually looking downside, right? So if S&P 500 go down further, for sure KLCI gonna go down. Okay, exactly the same. You see the movement. So I think KLCI, that's all, simple and quick. It aligned to S&P 500 movement. So Jackson, I hope I answer your question. Okay, welcome. Okay, any more question? I think we can have another like 15 minutes of Q&A session. Any more question you guys want to know? Market outlook, strategy, or you guys have anything want to share to me, you guys actually can share to me. Any question? Stocks, equities, anything? Okay, Caden, are you partnering up with Mikey Well? Yes, actually Mikey Well is our partner. Okay, they actually help us to also promote on our education. They consider as our strategy partners. Okay, let me show you. Where is it? The web is slow. Yeah, Kaden, to answer your question, we are actually partnering up with McD Without. Okay, they are our strategy partner. Okay, you see. Okay, so what they do, okay, I can't talk much about them. Okay, because right now we are talking about webinar, but just a quick sharing. They are our strategy partner. Okay, they also do tradings, also fund management, and also our main collaborative partner. Okay, so Kaden, I hope I answer you. Something big coming. Yeah, bro, you need to stay tuned. Okay, we have something big coming. And next is Charles again. Okay, if our FIBO and yours not in same range, got others way to determine where it will go below? Okay, like how you determine Euro USD won't go below the weekly 1.12. Okay, actually this is a very subjective question. Let me show you. Okay, the fib level. Okay, the fib level actually, a lot of people, different traders have different ways to draw.